Hi guys, welcome to my channel Kamitech and in the 14th class of Adobe Illustrator. I hope you all guys will be fine. My name is Kamran Eman and today we are going to talk about another important tool of Adobe Illustrator, and that is Arc tool. So guys, in this class we will understand that how we can use this tool for the creation of different graphics and visuals and illustrations. So basically this tool is used to create different parts of a circle like an arc, and an arc is a line between 2 points. So guys, let's come on the screen to know the practical explanation of arc tool. So guys, before any further ado, let's get started.
So guys, now we have come on the screen and we are going to start learning of curve tool. So here is curve tool. Simply go to the curve tool and click here. Now your curve tool is selected and now you can create whatever the thing that you wanted to create. So click here and then drag your mouse away from the first point and release your mouse. So guys, now you have seen that we have created an arc with the help of arc tool. We are going to create another arc in front of it, and now you can see that it will be an amazing one, and then we will explore how we can use this arc tool to create some amazing shapes and visuals. Now you can see that when I press upward button from my keyboard and when I press downward and leftward and rightward, and then you can see the differences that create by pressing rightward and leftward button from my keyboard. So now you can see that here are some amazing results that you can see here. So I just want to press Ctrl A to select a whole and I delete it. Again go to arc tool and click on your canvas, and you can set the values according to your requirements. You can drag this box anywhere according to your requirements. So if I write here 100 and in the next length y-axis in this box, if I write here 100 and when I press OK, then you can see that an amazing curve is ready for us. So there are another thing about this. I just want to tell you that there are two things in shapes. The one is closed shape and another one is open shape. If I click on open shape or closed shape, now you can see that it's an open shape, not, it's a closed shape. And again I click on open shape and then I press OK. Now you can see that we have created an open path. It's a path, not a shape, and we can transform, we can convert these paths into shapes. So guys, now we are going to convert some paths into shapes, and with the help of this tool we can create some amazing shapes, visuals, illustrations and icons, logos and a lot of other things that we can do with the help of this tool. So again click on arc tool and I just want to create a line or an arc with the help of this tool, and you can move it. Now you can see that we have created a beautiful shape like umbrella, and it's an amazing shape, and such kind of shapes you can use for your logos, and we want to put some colors in it. So guys, now you can see that we have put it, we have filled it with black color, and I will delete it. Now you can see that we have created another arc with the help of this tool, and you can revolve it, you can move it according to your requirements, and you have to increase its stroke rate. So guys, now you can see that this is a path, this is not a shape. Select it, go to object and then expand it. After expanding it, it will convert into a shape, and the difference between shape and path I definitely tell you later. So now you can see that it's a complete shape. You can move it, and I press Ctrl Z. Now we have come back and press Ctrl from your keyboard and then take a copy of it, and now we have two paths. And now I want to tell you that the difference between shape and path, I decreased its value, its size, but you can see that it has changed its shape, its path, and now you can see there is this is a different shape or path from this one. Again I come back and I just increase or decrease its size, then it will change its shape, then it will change its shape or its stroke or its appearance. But if I expand it, then it will not change its shape. If I decrease or increase its size or I do resizing, it will not change its shape. Now you can see that I expand it, press OK, and now if I decrease or increase its size, it will not lose its original shape. If it is big, it will be the same as it is in a very little, so it will not change its shape by resizing. So that's why it's an important point and it's an important feature of this software. So that's why if I increase or decrease its value, its size, or I resize it, it will lose its shape or appearance. Now you can see that now it has a completely changed shape from the previous one. Again click on it, select it, and let's do another thing that I wanted to tell you, that is you can create an amazing box, an amazing shape with the help of this tool. Click here and press on this corner or select this corner and press OK. Now you can see that we have created the down right corner of a box. This is the one corner, one left side and one base or right side, and we want to create some other corners of this shape. For that we have to click on this corner and then press OK. Now you can see that we have created another corner of a box, and I just want to keep it here. Again click on Arc tool and then click on your canvas. Dialog box open, click on this corner and press OK. Now you can see that we have created the left upper corner of a box. And again do the same thing and then click on this corner and press OK. So guys, now you have seen that we have created all the corners of a shape, and it's an amazing shape that we have created in this video. And I just want to select it and then I'll press Ctrl G from my keyboard to grip it. So guys, I have grouped it. First, see, I just want to put it in the center of it. So guys, now you can see that it's an amazing icon, or it can be considered as a logo, and it's an amazing shape that I have created here. And here I'll explain how you can use the expanding options. Simply go to the edit and copy, and again go to edit and then paste here. So guys, now you have taken a copy and then pasted here. And now I'm gonna tell you that how you can use expanding options for your confirmation, for your understanding. And now we will resize this icon or logo to explain how does this work. Now I have decreased its size, but don't do this without pressing shift key. When you will press shift key from your keyboard, it will increase or decrease its size with specific ratio and with the same ratio. But if you will not press shift key from your keyboard, it will lose its shape, quality and its original size and its shape. So guys, now you have seen that it's not good, but now expand this shape, and now we can increase or decrease its size. It will not change its original shape. So guys, in little form it's the same shape as it was in a bigger or in large size. Ctrl Z, and now I just want to expand both of these shapes, and now you can see that we have expanded these two shapes. And now if I increase or decrease their values, increase or decrease their size, they will not lose their original shape. So guys, now we have understood in this video how we can use Arc tool and what are the benefits of this tool. And with the help of this tool you can create some amazing shapes, visuals, illustrations and a lot of other things. So continue your learning process. Thank you.
So guys, if you have learned anything from my video, then make sure to subscribe my channel, like and comment the videos, and very soon we will meet again with the next tool of Adobe Illustrator. So take care of yourself and others. Have a nice day.